Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cook With Me video. Today we're gonna make beef soup. This soup recipe is not really a recipe because beef soup you could make it any way you want. Add whatever kind of vegetables you want, noodles. So this is a very basic beef soup with just cassava, potato, carrots, celery, okra, cabbage, and just small noodles that we call Maggi soup. So this does not have the corn in there and other type of noodle in it. This was just a very basic beef soup. So beef soup, you could, like I said, put whatever type of vegetables you like, noodles you like, and also seasoning. This is just more or less how I did it this one specific evening. My mom came over and she helped me too with making this, and so this was just a quick evening meal that we came up with, and I decided to let you all come along with it. So, or not come along with it, come along with us while we prepare this thing. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed. And if you are, thank you so much for subscribing and following me on my journey as I grow my YouTube channel and come up with inspiration of crafting, cooking, and so much more. So yeah, thanks again for your support. Anyways, I'll let you guys watch this video and hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.